In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check market hours on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone Creator platform. Once you are inside the platform, go to your watch list. In the watch list, find the trading instrument you want to check. This could be a forex pair, an index, a commodity, or another available market. Click on the instrument to select it. After you select the instrument, move your attention to the right-hand side of the platform. There you will see the Market Hours panel. This section shows the trading schedule for the instrument you have selected. It is the main area you will use to check when that market is available for trading. Take a moment to review the schedule shown in the panel. You will see the opening and closing times listed for each trading day. Read through these times carefully so you understand exactly when the market begins and ends for that instrument. Next, look at the current status displayed in the same panel. Pepperstone Creator will show whether the market is currently open. It may also show how long remains before the market closes. This makes it easy to identify the current trading session and understand the instrument's live status at a glance. If you want to see more of the schedule, scroll through the Market Hours panel. This will let you view the market hours for the rest of the week. It is useful if you are planning trades ahead of time and want to know the full weekly trading availability. If you need to check another instrument, go back to the watch list and select a different one. As soon as you choose a new instrument, the Market Hours panel will update automatically. You can then review the new schedule and check the opening times, closing times, and current market status for that specific instrument. Continue using the displayed schedule to decide when you want to place trades. This helps you avoid trying to trade outside active market hours and allows you to plan more effectively. Before you finish, confirm that you can clearly see both the current market status and the trading hours for your selected instrument. Once you can view that information, you have successfully checked the market hours on Pepperstone. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.